Ayurveda Basics, Sanskrit pronunciations and meanings. Lord Vishnu as Dhanvantari. Dhanvantari mantra, prayer for health and healing for Ayurveda. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Dhanvantaraye Amrutakalashahastaya Sarvamaya Vinashanaya Trailokyanataya Shri Mahavishnave Namaha. Pronunciations for Ayurveda. Letter A for Sanskrit always sounds like A. A with line on top sounds like A. Letter D is a soft dental sound, the sound similar to THE sound, the. A, yur, ve, the. Ayurveda. Ayurveda. Ayuhu means life. Veda means true or sacred knowledge. The Vedas are the authentic ancient spiritual scriptures of India. Ayurveda means the science of life. It is systematized knowledge and practical wisdom, an art of healthy living that encompasses all phases of life, body, mind, and spirit. Tradition of Ayurveda has been practiced for over 5,000 years. About 3,000 years ago, the oral tradition of Ayurveda was given a written form by prominent rishis like Charaka, Sushruta, and Vagbhatta. Agni. Agni is the biological fire or heat energy of the body that governs transformation of matter into energy. Agni is of 13 major types. The central Agni governing digestion and assimilation of food is Jathara Agni, Jatharagni. According to the Charaka Samhita, one of the greatest classics of Ayurveda medicine, the span of life, health, immunity, energy, strength, enthusiasm, luster, and vital breath are all dependent on Agni. Pronunciation is Agni. Please note, letter U and H are almost silent and are used to show correct pronunciation of letter A sound in Sanskrit. Agni. Letter G sounds like G as in guide. It is not Agni or Ajni. Pronunciation is Agni. Agni. Dosha. According to Ayurveda, health is a perfect state of balance among the three dosha, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha, among body, mind, the inner self, and the laws of nature. Doshas are the psychophysiological functional principles of the body. Dosha is the bodily humor, organization, or codes of intelligence within the body, mind, and consciousness. The combination of the three dosha in the body creates a unique combination of physical, mental, and emotional characteristics of an individual. The three dosha determine each individual's constitution and maintain integrity of the body. Pronunciation is not dosha. It is not dosha. Correct pronunciation is dosha. Letter D is a soft dental sound, the sound. Dosha. Not dosha. It is dosha. Dosha. Tridosha. The five elements, space, air, fire, water, and earth, combine into three basic functional principles which are present in varying degrees in everything and everyone. Tridosha, three is three, are Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. Vata combines air and space, Vayu and Akasha. Pitta is fire and water, Agni and Jala. Kapha is earth and water, which is Prithvi and Jala. These three dosha govern our psychobiological functioning, and these three fundamental dosha combine to create 7 constitutional types of Ayurveda. Vata, Pitta, and Kapha in varying degrees are present in every cell, tissue, and organ. When in balance, they create health. When out of balance, they cause disease. Pronunciation is Tri Dosha. Please note the pronunciation for letter T and D. It's a soft dental sound. Tri Dosha. It is not Tri Dosha. Correct pronunciation is Tri Dosha. Tri Dosha. First dosha is Vata. This one is one of the 3 doshas combining air, Vayu, and space, Akasha elements. The word Vata is derived from the Sanskrit root word meaning to move, and this gives a clue to the characteristics of Vata dominant individuals. It is the subtle energy associated with bodily movements and governs breathing, muscles, and tissue movement, pulsation of the heart. Main attributes of Vata are dry, light, cold, rough, subtle, mobile, clear. When in balance, Vata promotes creativity and flexibility. When out of balance, Vata produces fear and anxiety. Pronunciation is not Vata. It is not Vata. Please note, correct pronunciation is Vata. Vata. Letter T is a soft dental sound for Sanskrit, the sound. Vata. Pitta. Pitta corresponds to the elements of fire, Agni, and water, Jala. Heat is the main characteristic of Pitta types, as the word Pitta is derived from the Sanskrit word Tapa, which means heat and can also be translated as austerity. Sometimes referred to as the fire or bile principle, Pitta governs digestion, absorption, assimilation, metabolism, and body temperature. Main attributes of Pitta are hot, sharp, light, oily, liquid, spreading, sour, and bitter. In balance, Pitta promotes understanding and intelligence. When out of balance, Pitta arouses anger, hatred, and jealousy. Pronunciation is not Pitta. It is not Pitta. It is Pitta. Please note the pronunciation for letter T. It's soft dental sound T. Pitta. Pitta. Kapha. Kapha is combination of earth, Prithvi, and water, Jala elements. Word kapha in Sanskrit means phlegm and watery froth or foam. Kapha is the energy that forms body structure, bones, muscles, tendons, and provides glue that holds cells together. It supplies the water for all bodily parts and systems, lubricates joints, moisturizes the skin, and helps maintain immunity. Main attributes of kapha are heavy, slow, oily, damp, smooth, static, sweet, and salty. In balance, kapha is expressed as love, calmness, and forgiveness. Out of balance, it leads to attachment, greed, and envy. Pronunciation is not ka-pha or ka-fa. It is ka-pha. Ka-pha. Ama. Ama means undigested, immature, raw. When the 3 dosha are aggravated, Agni is weakened or disturbed, and food is not properly digested, Ama is formed. Thus, undigested, unabsorbed food particles accumulate in the gastrointestinal tract and other subtler sites in the body. This turns into a toxic, sticky, foul-smelling substance called Ama. Armor may also be formed by bacterial invasion and cellular metabolic waste. Armor then overflows from its site of origin to other bodily channels such as blood vessels and lymphatics and clogs the channels. Therefore, the armor needs to be eliminated from the body by panchakrama or other cleansing and purification methods of Ayurveda. Pronunciation is Ama. Please note it is not Ama or Ama. Correct pronunciation is Ama. Ama. Let us take a look at pronunciation for these basic terms. Ayurveda. 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 Dosha. Dosha or Tridosha. Vata. Vata. Pitta. Pitta. Kapha. Kapha. Agni. Agni. Ama. Ama. Ayurveda. Ayurveda is the art of daily living in harmony with the laws of nature. It is the holistic system of healing in its truest sense. Ayurveda is a profound science of living and self-healing that encompasses diet, nutrition, lifestyle, rest and relaxation, meditation, self-care, exercise, cleansing and rejuvenation for the body and mind. It is always advisable to seek the guidance of a well-trained Ayurveda physician, an expert, to create, maintain, or restore health and balance. Learn more terms and meanings in Ayurveda, Part 2. Ayurveda. Ayurveda. Check out our book, Yoga to Master the Mind. It's a book to dive deeper into the wisdom of yoga and also to learn Sanskrit pronunciations, meanings, symbolism, Yoga Sutras in depth, mantras, and more. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Yoga with Anjani, the right way to yoga.